Hey guys, it's Ebony. Valentine's Day is swiftly approaching. If you still don't have an idea of what you're gonna do for your makeup, I got you covered. You're gonna learn how to create this look right now. Okay, so I have one eye done, and to kick this look off, I'm just gonna take our lid lock eyeshadow base and just put that all over my eye. And I love this because I feel like it makes the colors really stand out, and since this is a bold Valentine's Day look, we're gonna need it. Now going in with our Tarteist Pro palette, which is one of my favorites, I'm going to take the pink shade Mod and just start getting that warmed up inside of my crease. Now that my crease is all nice and pink, I'm just going to take the shade Drama and pack that on top of my lid. You want to make sure that you blend this color into the crease shade so that way it's a nice, even transition, almost like a gradient effect. Now that we have a nice gradient effect going on, I'm just going to go back in and Mod and just smoke it out under my eyes. Now going in with the Flirt palette, which is perfect for Valentine's Day, I'm going to take the shade Touch and use that as my inner corner shade. You don't need too much because it's so glittery and sparkly, so a little goes a long way. Taking our double take eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and take the liquid side and make a wing. Bam! Now you couldn't think that that was just going to be the only thing I would put on the wing. I'm going to go back in using our chrome pot and Still the Show and just add that on top of the wing to give it an extra pop. So you can go ahead and skip the last step if you're an eyeliner pro, but you know, if you need a little guidance, go ahead and lay it down with the eyeliner first and then go back on top with the glitter to make it a little easier. Now I'm going to go in with our Lights Cameras Lashes mascara, and I'm just going to get these lashes right before I apply our vegan lashes to make this look really stand out. So as you can see, we have a lot going on and it can make the eyes look very small. But to go ahead and wake those eyes up, I'm going to take Fake Awake and apply that in my waterline. So I just went ahead and popped on some of our vegan lashes in the style Goddess. And now to complete the look, I'm going to go in with Frenemy and our Tarteist lip paint, apply it all over my lips, and call it a day. I love these things because they're so minty. So if you're going on like a Valentine's Day, girl, don't worry because this little lipstick has you covered. Smells so good. That's it guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this look and I hope y'all have a great Valentine's Day. You all can be my Valentine since I don't have one. If you like this look, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and you'll see plenty more looks coming in the near future. But until next time.
Oh my god.